Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Manda Aprilia Firdaus, and today we will explore an important topic in English, narrative text. Have you ever read a story and wondered how writers make the stories clear, interesting, and easy to follow? Well, in this video, you'll learn what narrative text is and the 5 important parts that make up a great story. Let's start about definitions of narrative text. A narrative text is a kind of text that tells a story. It can be based on true events, completely made up, or even a mix of both. The main purpose of a narrative text is to entertain, and sometimes to inform or teach a moral lesson. A narrative text usually presents a sequence of events that are connected by characters, conflict, and a meaningful resolution. When done right, it pulls the reader into another world, one where they can feel, think, and imagine right alongside the characters. Now, let's look at the 5 important parts of narrative text. The first one is orientation. The orientation introduces the setting of the story, including the time, place, and main characters. It helps the reader to understand where, when, and who the story is about. For example, there was a boy named Tom who loved riding his bicycle around the neighborhood every afternoon. He enjoyed exploring new places on his bike. Number 2 is complication. The complications is where a problem or conflict arises that the characters must face. This part develops the plot and creates tensions or challenges in the story. For example, one day, while riding too fast down a hill, Tom lost control and nearly fell off his bicycle. His brakes were not working properly, and he felt scared and helpless. The 3 is evaluation. The evaluation, which is the peak or climax of the story. It reflects on how the problem or conflict reaches its most intense point, and sometimes show the characters thinking about ways to solve it. For example, Tom tried to slow down by dragging his feet, but it was not enough. He worried he would crash into a tree or a fence nearby. The 4 is resolution. The resolution is the part where the conflict or problem is resolved. The story starts to conclude, explaining how the characters overcome or adjust to the problem. For example, fortunately, he managed to steer his bike onto soft grass and stop safely. Afterward, he took his bike to a mechanic to fix the brakes. The last part is coda. The coda, or called reorientations, rounds off the story with a short comment on what happened, or with a comment about the future lives of the characters. For example, from that day on, Tom always checked his bike carefully before riding and learned to be more careful on the road. And that's a simple guide to narrative text. I hope this video helps you understand what narrative text is and how its 5 important parts work together to tell a great story. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.